I decided to start my YouTube channel and to contribute a little more to content on this platform. And the first thing I want to talk about is UGC. It's a huge boom in marketing, and everyone's just talking about it on TikTok and sharing the experience and the ideas. I decided I'm gonna give it a try, so I started to create my portfolio. It's something that is like really fun for me. It's super exciting, and I know I can be good at this, so that's why I'm doing that. So for those who are new to this term UGC, it stands for user generated content, which basically means that you can hire someone to do a content as a real user of your product. So we do photos, we do videos, and it can be also reviews. The content then can be used on social platforms. It can be used on a website, on a seller's page, like Amazon, and it can be also used in advertisement. Basically, anywhere you need a content to promote your product. What is the difference between a product photo and video and between user-generated photo and video? It's super simple. The product photo and video is professionally created, and the UGC is created by the real user, so it should be just simple and ordinary. And that's some big topic coming up in the UGC Facebook page and on the TikTok also. So the creators are saying, hey, it's UGC, it's user-generated content. You should keep it low with the quality and just keep it simple. You're not creating product pictures, and it's true that everyone just try to keep it up and try to make it super great, so the level raised up so high that everyone's just having such amazingly looking pictures. And I don't think it's a bad thing. Actually, we can get paid more for creating product pictures. But yeah, UGC should be more about us just using the products. We don't have to show our face, but I think it's a good thing to do, or at least just a background that is not just set up for photo shoot, but real place with real situation. That the point of the UGC is that we create the trust of the customers. So when I see some influencer promoting a product, you see it's like a setup. So you're like, okay, you promoted this because you get paid. But the point of the UGC is that the customer will trust that it's organic and natural. So the customer have to believe that we share it because we really love the product. And that's the whole point of the UGC. Yeah, don't pretend we are models. Don't pretend we are professional photographers. No, we are real users, so we should keep it real. But yeah, even real users have a good quality cameras and they have nice space, so they should be some level of professionality even in UGC creations. Another thing I want to mention, there was a lot of questions both from creators and the brands. What is the difference between UGC and influencer? So the main and very simple difference, I would say, is influencer share the content on their socials and is trying to promote through their followers. Although the UGC creator does not need any followers, not even social platform to promote on. The simple job of UGC creator is to share the content back to the brand that hired him or her. It's mostly girls. And then the brand use the content to share it on their social media in Instagram, TikTok, wherever they need. They can use it on their website. They can use it on advertisements, and even on Amazon, on eBay, sales page. So I don't know why is this job so well paid. At least every UGC creator who's already reached the level that has this as a full-time job is saying that they charge well money for the job. I think it's because it's like a new field, so there is a huge demand. But as they share these experiences and their income, there become a huge new wave of new UGC creators. And when I watch it too much, it sort of puts me down because I'm also a beginner, new starting UGC creator. And when I see all these new UGC creators like keep asking the question, oh my God, can you check out my portfolio? And where should I find new clients? None of these brands are replying me and I want to give up. Well, yeah, it's not very motivating. So I have to be careful not to read this stuff too much and keep focusing on reaching to brands and to follow those who already made the transitions, meaning of they already are having this as their full-time job. And I think that there is a lot of space for all the UGC creators, and I strongly believe that UGC will expand. For sure, it will expand, and the demand will be higher because the brands will realize how important UGC is and how beneficial the UGC is, because it truly is. All the new starting creators, we all have our portfolios in Canva. Portfolio is a great thing. You can have all the information, in one box. To be honest, I don't think that is always wise only to send your portfolio, because it takes a lot of time to go through the portfolio, and maybe you don't have to bother the brand to go all through this, especially when it's brand who already know what is UGC, so they don't have to read like 2 pages of information why they should choose UGC and what UGC stands for and why is it important, blah, blah, blah. I've seen it literally in so many portfolios and it just gets me so bored. So I literally cut it out from my portfolio and I'm just stating like 5-6 main points. Why is UGC beneficial? I think that's enough. When they don't know, they should look it up on Google and educate themselves. And for sure, if they will keep receiving offers for UGC, they will eventually look it up. So, and they also don't need to like read thousand information about who you are and what you do and why they should choose you. Well, no, they don't care. Only thing that they care about is what you can do for them and examples of your work. So let's keep it simple, let's keep it fast and just show the brands what you can do. So mainly it's also possible just to reach to specific brand with one specific example of video you can do for them. I uploaded some videos on my YouTube channel and just reached to them with a YouTube link where they can easily watch the one example video I could do for them. It seems like a very good way how to show the company what you can do for them. So now the question, where to reach the brands and close the deals. So one important thing when trying to reach the brands is to have the perfect page. It's a huge topic and I definitely recommend to do some research. I will maybe do another video about this. So a lot of creators are reaching through Instagram, also LinkedIn and Twitter, reaching through Amazon. It sounded like a good plan, to be honest. And until I find out that I was only able to send 2 messages per day. But I discovered that it might be a little easier with eBay. So I will be reaching sellers on eBay. I'm aiming on favorite products that I like, especially now I like to reach for toys for kids. I mean, it's fun for me, it's fun for them, it's just perfect. Yeah, and now I might have my first deal, and it's actually from Upwork. I'm not quite really sure how I feel about Upwork because the website fees are just crazy. I mean, you can look up for the jobs for free, you can register for free, but then from every income you will receive, they take a 20% off. 20% off, it's crazy, right? So imagine that you get a deal for $100 and they just take 20 for them, just for providing the service. Yeah, but I can say there is a lot of opportunity, like loads of opportunity for every field of work. So if you don't know Upwork yet, you can try it out. And yeah, so there is this deal like $20 for creating 15-30 video on some product. So I will waiting for more information and I'm quite excited. I hope it will be cool. And yeah, you can say it's easy money. So the fact is that after 20% off, it will be like 17. And yeah, every 15-30 seconds video behind there is like, I don't know, 2 hours of work. Depends, right? So this video will be just reading script. They provide me a script which I will read, and yeah, that's cool. So I don't have to create a script on my own. It will save a lot of time. But it's still, I will see like what kind of product it will be. So, and maybe the editing sometimes takes like loads of time. Yeah, I will see. But yet, I have to start somewhere, and people are starting like for gifted collaboration. Basically, the brand will send you a product, and for the product, you will create content with the product. It's cool too. Yeah, it's fine. I would do it. Why not? But it would really have to be product that I'm really interested in. And yeah, but if I could get paid also, why not? My dream collaboration would be like family centers, big playgrounds for kids. That's what I'm aiming for. And of course, hotels, Airbnbs, airlines. I've seen girls doing UGC in airlines trying to reach them, but I'm not really sure that airlines needs UGC. And that's also bringing me to very important thought that big brands that already have a lot of customers, they also have a lot of like organic feedback from customers. They already really like the product, so they don't need UGC. But new brands, they don't have this content, so they really need someone to get the ball running, right? So yeah, maybe can try to reach to smaller brands also. And one important thing, this girl on TikTok said, try to reach on Amazon to brands which have sponsored posts. It means that this brand has money for promotion, and it doesn't have to be on the Amazon. It can be on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, wherever you see ad with product that you are interested in. Look up this brand and try to text them. When it's like a support, something, info, email, don't shoot straight your question like, hi, I'm a UGC creator, and are you interested in collaboration? I would recommend more ask them for email for their marketing PR department, and there's more chances that you will get connected to the person who can actually answer your question and be interested in collaboration. That is bringing me to important question. There's like a lot of people is asking this on a Facebook page of UGC creators. How can I know that the offer is scam? From what I was reading, there is few main symptoms of a scam. Basically, when the email is sent from Gmail and not the official brand email address, which is like, you can say it's like at brand's name, that's the real one, but when it's like Gmail, that's probably a scam. But you can never be actually sure, right? Because small brands, they can still have Gmail. But when you can see the email, they like explains a lot, and they are like a lot of flattering, 100% a scam. When they ask you to pay some money in money first, even like for postage or whatever, some cover expenses, don't ever do it, girl, right? It's a scam. Yeah, and you can always look up the brand, their socials and reviews, whatever. Be careful. A lot of people are trying this, so just be careful. And I know you are excited. First, make some research and then close the deals. One more very important thing I want to talk about is copyrights. I've seen a lot of UGC creators sharing that some girls, the brand was suing her. Actually, not the brand, but the creator of the music was suing her for millions on the copyrights because she used copyrighted music, and that's a big no. So I asked the creators where are they using, what kind of music they are using, and you can use a YouTube audio library for copyrighted free music. It's great, but the music, it's like normal. Yeah, there's loads. You can use it, and also you can filter copyrighted free music on TikTok. It's called like for business use, and it's also cool. And I am not sure at all about CapCut. It's a great app, by the way, which I love for cutting and editing my videos. But I'm not sure about the copyrights of the music. Some of them, for sure, is copyrighted free, but some of them might not be. So I would say better not to use, because it does not worth the risk. The risk is too high. There's a lot to lose. Yeah, so that's basically all I wanted to say about UGC. So if you have any questions, or if you would like to share your journey of UGC, share in the comments. And if you are interested in collaboration, let me know. I think it's to stop this video because the cat is biting my leg badly, and I think she is jealous